Quick Cable introduces the Rescue Booster Pack 3000. The 3000 has an Add a Battery feature that sets it apart from all other booster packs on the market. More about that in a minute. The 3000 model has all the features that make the Rescue Booster Pack the industry leader, starting with extra long 55-inch 4-gauge cables, polarity indicators at the end of each clamp, a built-in work light which quickly converts to a flashing safety light, LED clamp lights, battery status gauge, safeguard audible signal and light for safe jump starts, and a DC power source. But what makes this unit innovative is its customizable battery compartment, which allows you to fit the unit with a fresh battery of your choice. When the battery needs to be replaced, you can change it just as easily as you might a flashlight battery. Here's how to safely install a battery. Remember to always wear safety glasses and perform installation in a well-ventilated area. You'll need a minimal amount of tools to complete this installation. In this instance, we will use a 10mm wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Every battery is different, so be sure to check the battery's instruction manual for the recommended tools. Now we're ready to begin. First, pop off the back by pressing down on the compartment door clamps and pulling out. Remove steel brackets by turning counterclockwise. Note that the top bracket is designed with a 90-degree bevel to secure the battery in place. Choose a sealed U1 battery that measures no more than 7.56 inches wide, 6.42 inches high, and 5 inches deep. For a list of recommended batteries, refer to the reference chart on quickhowto.com. Before installing the battery, be sure the on-off switch is in the off position. Align battery with terminals favoring the outside of the unit. Connect the positive red cable connectors to the positive battery terminal. Then attach the negative black cable connectors to the negative battery terminal. Slide battery into the booster pack. Attach brackets back into place and close compartment door. It's that easy. Your Rescue Booster Pack is ready to go. Be it weather emergency, power outage, vehicle breakdown, or simple recreational use, Rescue Booster Packs will give you power when you need it most. For more information on Rescue Booster Packs, visit related sites on quickhowto.com.